What's up, guys? It's your boy Bombgardener, back again with another moto vlog. Oh, listen to that Yoshi. Hey Yoshi, baby, listen to it. Woo! She sounds so good, I love her. Absolutely love it. Guys, how are you all doing today? I hope you guys are having a great day. If you are, make sure you tell me about your day in the comment section below. Also, new thing for the channel, we have goals now. Alright, we're looking at goals. You can have goals to achieve. So my goal is to get 500 billion likes on this video. 500 billion! So make sure you smash that like button, and I mean, smash it! Because we're gonna hit that goal. Oh, did you see those two bumps? How knocked me off this bike? I'm telling you, this road's got some crazy bumps to it. What are we doing today? We are gonna take the bike and give it a car wash. Whoa, whoa, whoa! At the car wash there. And we're gonna have a little bit of fun on the way there. Where's my music? Oh, nice talk by Drake? Okay. What do you guys think of the new phone mount? Oh no, my right earbud's not working. That's weird. What up, school bus? So glad I don't have to ride one of those anymore. You know what I don't understand? I don't know how some of those people ride those freaking big old choppers. Like, I can't imagine, like, how do they sit like that? But you know, they're probably like, how do those people on those sport bikes sit like that? That's horrible. But like, sitting like this the whole time, but like that. Look at this dragon knee, baby. I need to get the tank grips. I need those tank grips bad. And I also need to get a license plate holder, because right now, riding dirty, boy. This mount, I like it, but I'm not gonna lie to you all, I definitely installed it wrong. So like, look how wobbly it is. And I know it was my fault. I know it's not the product's fault. I did something, and then I went and looked at the instructions and was like, oh shit, I fucked up. So 100% my fault, it shouldn't be this wobbly, but that's okay, because after doing more research, I've seen the quad locks, and those quad locks look freaking sick, man. I'm telling you. And you can get ones that charge your phone while you're riding. Dude, that is freaking OD. Somebody's smoking that reefer, yo. I smell it. I'm telling. I don't think the helmets, whenever you turn your head, are supposed to feel like they're about to fly off. I think this helmet might be too big, to be honest. Just like a hair too big, because it wobbles a little bit and stuff. I just need to nut up and buy that freaking AGV. I don't know though. I don't know what I want. That's the problem. There's so many good looking helmets and so many good helmets out there that I want. Like, and Ruroc, God, Ruroc, why can't you be better helmets? Look, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I think a lot of the quote-unquote reviews that you're seeing they're very compensated for those reviews, if you get what I'm saying. Like, I think they're getting free stuff. I think they're either getting free stuff or free helmets, or I don't know. But I do have some hope in the Atlas 4.0, because the Atlas 4.0 is supposed to have some great improvements, and that's exciting. I love coming to sudden stops for no apparent reason. Oh, we need gas bad. Alright guys, had to take a little break. My GoPro actually died. I don't know what the battery's on now. I think it's only halfway, so we gotta freaking hurry up and get this footage. Dude, this light never turns green for us. I'm just taking a right, taking an L, and not gonna take the interstate. I would just really like to take the interstate right now because I'm trying to get there fast with this freaking GoPro battery being low. How's your guys' day going? Hopefully you guys are having a great day. If you are, let me know in the comments, and if you're not, let me know in the comments. Let's talk about it, baby. Let's get you feeling better, you know what I'm saying? Those big water spots scare the shit out of me. Oh, it really sucks. Today is probably going to be the last ride of the season, or winter season, I don't know. It's West Virginia. It snowed 8 inches 4 days ago. It's going to snow 8 inches in 2 days. That means it'll probably be sunny the day after it snows again. I don't know. I'm going to continue to ride any day that I can, any chance that I get, so that I can get content out there for you guys, because you guys are my favorite people ever. Oh my gosh, guys, look, an airplane. Isn't that so cool? Wow. Water spots. I hate them. This is spooky. No, for real though, just because of how cold it's been, it does scare me that it might be slush or something. And it would really suck to drop this baby. You know why? Because I still don't have, oh my gosh, why can I ever remember what these are called? Frame sliders. Frame sliders? frame guards, frame sliders. I think it's frame sliders. I still don't have frame sliders, okay? I want to put some frame sliders, and I also want to put some sliders down there on the wheel. I forget what those are called. I definitely forget what those are called. Top tots? What a weird name, Top Tots. Guys, I'm running out of freaking battery on my GoPro. So this is what we're gonna do. We're going to tune up the GoPro right now, and we're gonna get to the place where we're gonna wash this freaking filthy bike. We're gonna wash this bike, and then we'll call it. All right, so guys, give me just 1 second to the power of editing. We're gonna be washing the bike. All right, guys, we're here. We're gonna get the bike washed. Don't judge me. I really didn't feel like putting back on my helmet, so I'm just kind of holding it to the side, and I unplugged the microphone. So the microphone might sound a little bit weird, but we are gonna get this bike nice and clean within hopefully like 5-10 minutes. Yo guys, the GoPro died like literally as soon as I started to wash it, so no footage of me washing it, but she is washed, she's clean, and she's happy in the garage. So we're gonna let her sleep now. She's ran a lot. Guys, I really appreciate you all watching the video. If you did enjoy it, like I said, make sure you hit that like button, drop a comment, and make sure you subscribe. I'll see you guys.